This video will present to you how to use Outlook efficiently to save your time and increase your productivity. So the first thing you need to do in order to manage your inbox folder efficiently is changing your emails view into conversation view. To do that, go to View, click on the Show as Conversations option, click All Folders, and now all the emails having the same email subject will be combined under one email head. So for example, all these emails are arranged under one email head because all of them having this same email subject. So if you forward or reply to one of these sub-emails, your emails will be inserted under this same email head. For example, I will forward this email message to one of my colleagues. So I'm gonna click forward with the email address, and I'm gonna write for your information, send. The arrow appear and it will show me it is from my account to this email address, and this is the original email, and this is my forward message. So now even if I got a reply from the user, I will be able to see his reply message under the same email head. So this is the original email, this is my forward message, and this is the reply message. And notice how the email according to the sequence. Since this is the original email, and then this is my forward message, it will comes in light gray color to indicate that it is sent item, and finally this is the reply message which came at the end. And the email head will represent the last contact on the conversation. Now, for any received email, an action has to be taken, either by forwarding the email or replying to the email, or just performing whatever required within the email. After that, the email either kept in the inbox, which is wrong because it will increase the number of the emails in the inbox, or it will be moved to one of the subfolders created by the user. But what happens if the email belongs to project 3 and it's coming from the manager? In which subfolder it's gonna be saved? That's why this method is wrong. Because it's computer work. And additionally, it required so much time and effort to categorize each and every email in a subfolder alone. The better way is by creating only one subfolder, and we're gonna call it Done. Whenever you are done from any email, you're going to just simply move this email to the Done subfolder and keep only the pending emails in your inbox folder. And the fastest way to do that is by configuring Done feature. To configure Done feature, click on Manage Quick Steps, click on Done, Edit. So whenever you click on Done, the email will be marked as complete and it will be moved to a folder, and in this way we're gonna choose our subfolder Done, and it will be marked as read. Click on Save. Okay. So now let's say you are done from this email. So you're gonna click on the email head, click on Done, and the email will be moved to Done subfolder, which means you're only keeping this email for reference. And in this way, you're gonna keep only pending emails in your inbox, which eventually will reduce the number of emails in your inbox folder, and it will be much easier for you to maintain and manage your emails. The next thing you have to do in order to manage your inbox folder is to avoid all the unread emails. Because the more unread emails you have in your inbox, the more it's difficult to manage your emails. It's not recommended at all to depend on the unread emails to keep track of the pending work, because you might receive very important information, but since you didn't check them, you miss the chance to take action against these emails. So it's very important at the end of the day, before leaving the office, to check all the unread email, and it's not necessary to take action on them, but at least read them instead of keeping them unread. To search for an email in Outlook, you have to configure the search attributes. To do that, click on the search field, click on More, and add the attributes that you want to search. So most likely you will need from, to, subject, body, and the date of the email received. So for example, I want to search for an email coming from Muhammad, and it contains report in the body. So Outlook will highlight the keywords that I have specified in my search attributes. Another example where I want to find an email containing a specific order number that I'm looking for. So I'm going to type the order number in the body field, and if I check the result, I can find that it's highlighting the keyword that I have specified in the body field. If I couldn't find the required email, I can search in another folder within the email, because maybe the required email is located in the subfolder or in the sent items, or maybe it's in the archives. To search in those locations, I'm going to click on this link. And now there is additional email in the results, which is located in the sent items, where the first one were located in the inbox. Another example where I want to find all the emails received in February. So I'm going to go to the received field and write February, and Outlook will show me all the emails received in February, and it will arrange the results in conversation view as well. At the end of this video, we're going to summarize the required action you need to perform in order to manage your email efficiently. First thing, you need to enable the conversation view, which will combine all emails having the same subject under one email record. The second thing you have to do is configure Done feature in order to keep only the pending emails in your inbox folder and move all the other emails to the Done subfolder whenever you click on Done feature. Next thing you have to do is read all unread emails, and make sure you read all unread emails before leaving your office, even if you didn't take action about them, just to avoid missing urgent or important information. And don't use the method of marking emails as unread to keep track of your pending work. And finally, configure the search attribute to search for any email by specifying a keyword in the attribute fields.